Okay, here we are. It's done. We scrubbed her down, hosed it down, vacuumed it up real good. When you got a good seal, it takes everything right up. You see a little soap residue, but when I first got done vacuuming, it smelled like a bubble bath in here, so it was nice. That stuff smells good. It smells better than dog pee. So we'll probably hang some little net deals with cedar or something just to get some smell until we start, you know, spraying some gel coat and some spray paint and stuff. Then it'll smell like a proper place. But right now the wood is seasoned with the doghouse smell, and I imagine if we left it alone, that smell is just gonna come back. So we'll stay on top of it. As you can see, I'm really super pleased with how it turned out. Some spots, like I said, were stained, and there wasn't really much you could do about it. I don't know what that is. It must be oil, because it's up on the wall as well. Everything else dried up real nice with the fans blowing on it. A lot of it just started drying up on its own. But super pleased with this. Tomorrow morning we'll work on the swimming pool a little bit. I got another shut-off valve to put on the return or the feed to the pool. When we were messing around with the sand filter before we bought our own, I would just put one on the inlet right from the skimmer, because it didn't back leak through on the sand filter. But we're on a cartridge filter now, and we need to shut all the water off in both directions to the filter, so we can take the cartridge out and take the garden hose to it and clean it. And then put it back in. It'll run a little more efficiently. We've been sucking up a lot of crap through there, so I'm sure it's already ready. The water is right up to the top of the pool, and we had so much rain out here. What I'm going to do is use the shop vac and siphon. I'm going to put two vacuum hoses together, and then get my shop vac out there and get it going. And since we've got to drain water down anyway, we may as well vacuum the crap out of the pool and use it at the same time, right? Genius! So yeah, I mean, there's 5 inches too much water in it now. So I mean, it's literally over top of the skimmer hole. It's probably leaking out, draining right out underneath the deck there. So we got that to do tomorrow, and then we'll be back out here vacuuming up the other side. It's pretty spooky over there. Vacuuming up everything, get the top, the dust and crap vacuumed off the top. We'll mop it all down, right? The tanks all down, get everything cleaned up, and get ready to start moving things over here. We can move all of our paint cabinets, all of our fiberglass stuff. We're going to need a little gun rack type of thing on the wall, right? And put our rolls of material. We've got flow media, we have scrim cloth, we have I think it's 10 ounce biaxial. We have 1.5 ounce just regular mat. So we need to do that. We need to get a layout table and all that stuff. So that's it for today. My back is killing me. I'm gonna go get a rest, cook some food, get a shower, put a patch on my back. I haven't needed one of those in a while, but it's time. Godspeed, God bless. We're praying for y'all. It'll get better. I got rid of all the apples out here. That was a back-breaking job. There had to be 10,000 of them. I put them over there. So when the deer come, we can watch from the deck or from the house. Hang in there, y'all. We're getting it.